Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Chrome is current. Updates patch ad-related bugs. Once updated, open Settings and go to Privacy and Security. From there, choose Site Settings to control pop-ups, redirects, and ads. You do this now because site-level controls stop many ads before extensions are needed. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile so changes apply. This first step immediately reduces intrusive behavior and establishes a safe baseline before deeper cleanup. Next, inspect extensions and remove anything you don't recognize. Malicious add-ons inject ads. Then return to Site Settings and clear cookies. Reset permissions for sites that were allowed to show pop-ups or notifications, and block ads under Ad Settings. Once done, run a malware scan or Chrome cleanup tool to remove adware that alters browser behavior. Make sure to restart Chrome after removals so changes take effect, and to confirm the visible ad sources are gone. To finish, install a reputable content blocker and tailor filters for your needs. This provides an extra layer of protection. Then test by visiting sites that showed ads before, using incognito to rule out profile issues. If ads persist, reset Chrome settings to default and review your host's file or DNS provider, which can redirect ad domains. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: create a fresh Chrome profile and reproduce the problem there to isolate whether it's.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.